What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock analysis guys. Let's do the price action analysis. Let's take a look at the structure. Are we finding the bottom, near-term bottom on Tesla? Do we have a potential that after this some consolidation and green candle forming with the support at 20 days moving average, do we have a potential now to go up from here? We'll talk about all of that in this video, guys. We'll go over a lot of the things. I have some news as well to cover with you guys on Tesla, and also I'll take you over this options data as well on Tesla, guys. So a lot of good stuff. Hit the like, subscribe, and please note, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes, okay? Now, so today, well, let's go over a couple of news articles first here. Now, we have that Tesla defies auto industry's trend with 0.99% appraisal Model Y financing offer. So that's quite a good deal. I read that if someone takes this with certain amount of down payment, they'll be saving $100 per month. So that's a good news. Well, yeah, I mean, that's lower than even the inflation. So that's funny that you might be saving money owning, not saving money technically, you're still, it's a cash outflow for you, but I'm just saying, if you were looking to spend some money on a car, I mean anyone, right? You are paying less than the inflation and getting an asset. But well, cars are depreciable assets though. Well, they depreciate. They're not an asset technically. They depreciate over time. You can't build your equity in it unless you're buying a Porsche or something. But anyways, but that's just a news. I just wanted to talk about that. Tesla head of Cybertruck manufacturing has left the company. Well, good luck to him or her, whoever that was. And then Tesla fires and hired. Tesla hired some supercharging team back. So that's good to hear. And that brings some good confidence back in Tesla. And that's pretty much it. And also this Zeekr. Zeekr accelerates after their New York Stock Exchange debut. I talked about Zeekr today, guys, in one of my videos. Zeekr has it finally come for NEO. Check this video out if you are interested. I did some technical analysis as well. And while I'm talking about this and showing you this channel, I also want to take you over, just show you real quick that I have started a new channel as well, Junior Trader Dividend Investing. There's a video over here that talks about the objective of this channel, and videos will be coming out on regular basis. And this is a public portfolios I'll be starting on this channel regarding my some of the portfolios I'll be building in front of you and sharing how I'm building it, what I'm doing. Everything will be here on regular basis. So definitely subscribe if you want to follow along. Now, with that, let's come back here on Tesla and let's start talking about the technicals. So we are finding some support, as I said, above 20 days moving average. And first of all, the structure on the daily interval. We are above 50 days moving average as well. We have closed the day above that. That's a great positive sign. Okay, that shows us that buyers are stepping in to hold this level. At the same time though, the place where we have closed the price on the daily interval, it's not fully a bullish structure. It is still a downtrend trying to turn into bullish. Okay, so that's what the structure is. Now, if again, like, you go into whatever you want to do, if any position is taken at this time, the stop loss has to be somewhere here below 20 days moving average. Now, again, I'm not saying that this is where you have to take position. You go into whatever you want to do. What I'm saying is that I'm telling you the structure and my opinion and the price action. And I'll give you the levels. As of that levels keeps confirming, then we will keep heading higher. But Tesla is looking good to me. It's forming some good bullish consolidation. We just have to see the confirmation keep coming up level by level, and accordingly we'll have a stop loss on the other side regardless. But I'm talking about the structure here, right? So on hourly interval, what am I seeing is that yes, we went up, right? But as you can see, $175 level, right? I said that I would want, this is the next level. If we come up here, also marked by my indicator significant level. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below, guys. Okay, we got above that, right? Not above that, sorry, we reached 175 and then we started to sell off. So the structure is still weak, but it's a good point that we have taken out a pivot We though closed below 172, but we got above one of the levels, that is 170, that I said that I want to see at least it get above and close above 170 if we want to start turning bullish at least. There is definitely an uphill battle because we have 200 hours moving average on the our overhead resistance, and then 175, guys, this level has been rejecting so many times. You can see hours of rejection here. Then we had the day after that rejection as well. And today also you can see we came up there and sold off at 175. So that's where we want to get out of to start changing structure more to the benefit back to the upside again, level by level. But yes, Tesla, at least for now, has a pivot on the intraday longs, right? And not just that, we got the pivot on intraday long, and my day trading bot also gave the good profitable play position as well today. So that's looking good. So structure changed, so did my bot, had a profitable position as well on this. Now, if you need access to these tools for reference or whatever, links to my tools are in the description below this video. Okay, now going back to the hourly interval. So as long as Tesla can hold this pivot, right, either you can have this trend line intraday. We have to go from intraday and then structure, we need to make fully bullish, right? As long as Tesla can keep holding this trend line, there is definitely positive sentiment for Tesla intraday to go up. I'm not fully on the swing side bullish for the reasons that we are below 200 hours moving average and we are constantly rejecting 175. If Tesla can close above 175 tomorrow, that's a good sign again on intraday continuation to the upside. I want this thing to get above 200 hours moving average as well before my full confidence kicks in again. But the thing is that intraday turns into swing. All right. So with that, yes, we are starting to start the bullish journey as long as this trend line holds. But you want to be very closely watching when we reach, if we reach 200 hours moving average, how price will react there. If we go up there, start rejecting 200, fails to break that and break this trend line, well, guys, then intraday downside will start coming again. All right, or even from wherever we break this trend line. But as for where the price has closed today, it could be a start of becoming bullish from here on Tesla. The structure may start to become bullish as long as we hold these levels, we hold these trend lines, we hold this pivot, we hold this structure. So structure is looking bullish to me on Tesla right now. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. Very simple, not complicated, not gonna make it complicated. So let's go to the options now and let's take a look at that. Oh, well, why? So wait, not why, sorry. Well, we have a good spike on the today's calls options at 175 and then 180 for this week expiration. I'm not seeing any other changes on the price on the options, neither on the puts nor on the calls much. It's only 175 and 180. So seems like traders are betting money 175 and 180. All right, which is quite a decent play for the end of the week if this bullish structure, as it's trying to find support here and consolidation. Yep, 170 can possibly make money, and also possibly 180 as long as I just showed you, if we keep holding these levels like 170, the trend line that I showed you, and most importantly staying above 20 and 50 days moving average. But that's just something on the options I just wanted to show you where traders are betting money. Not much changed from the data we had from over the weekend. You can see not much puts have changed, not much calls have changed. The height is still the same. It's only 175 huge spike and then 180 is a huge spike. All right, cool, okie dokie. Guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Wow, Tesla is 12 cents up in the post market. So yeah, let's see. If tomorrow also we continue higher, level by level is, guys, what we have to trade at. Okay, you can see how precisely it rejected at our significant level. That's why levels are very important, guys, and my tools marks it automatically for you. So again, links in the description below if you want access to those. Guys, that's it for this video. I'll be doing other videos as well, like I'll do QQ and SPY with tech stocks, but this is all for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my new channel. And with that, guys, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.